सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम एक वीडियो आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे जिसमें हम बताएंगे कि कैसे डिबेट करते हैं इन इंग्लिश। आई मीन टू से सम स्टूडेंट्स वुड बी सिटिंग इन द क्लास एंड दे वुड बी डिबेटिंग अबाउट एनी टॉपिक, और इस डिबेट के अंदर वो डिस्कस करेंगे एक टॉपिक को जिसमें एक साइड उसके मेरिट के बारे में बात करेगा और एक डिमेरिट्स के बारे में बात करेगा। दोनों ही स्टूडेंट्स मीन्स दोनों ही साइड बिगनर्स हैं, अभी स्टार्ट कर रही है स्पीकिंग करना। तो आप लोग देखेंगे कि कैसे स्टार्ट करते हैं डिबेट क्लासेस और डिबेट में कैसे बोलते हैं। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले, लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट।
Made clothes and
Ancient time.
The material is given by God.
God, yes.
Ancient time people use the leaf and wear the leaves clothes.
God wear the leaf clothes.
Yes, in ancient time.
Answering, don't you know about Ram?
Okay, Sonia.
Ask.
Actually, you see.
God wear the proper dress like dhoti, kurta.
Okay, Sonia. You see God structure. Actual time.
In picture na, but it
Like
is
picture. Picture. I draw any picture, so you
Believe.
you.
Yes, I believe. Yes, I
God.
believe na.
How can you say that?
I believe.
No.
It's my wish. I believe in God. I totally very much believe in God.
So you
In
are
ancient
all
time,
things
people
believe
don't
you.
wear the clothes. We leave the leave clothes.
But miss, in ancient time, my grandfather, my grandmother don't wear the leaf clothes.
Don't wear the clothes.
Don't wear the clothes.
Yes, in ancient time, scientists they
Don't talk to
searching
rubbish,
and-
sir. It is nonsense talk.
No, she is saying that you can see Ram, Krishna, they used to wear proper dresses.
Give a environment. God is a give environment.
Like,
Like-
but humans give environment because
And
humans.
firstly, God give a mind for human body, and human use the mind.
Only God duty of for human born. But
So
all
you-
all do work science.
Okay.
But Miss Prachi-
that only duty of God is to create human. Otherwise, everything is done by
science.
science.
How can
She
you?
is saying.
Science not decided my death, my born. God is decided my death and my bones. Science is decided my death and born. Yes. And
She means to
But-
say that if we die, so God has decided it.
yes.
So I saying God's for your duty only born you. But
And decide and death also.
and that
Doctor
was-
is decided my death. Doctor is decided my
Yes,
born.
doctor check you and you give answer.
When
If
will you
you
die?
are-
When will you die young? You have no chance for
Living.
Miss Kajal, you say told to me one person you don't worship. What
Can you tell me any person name? ऐसे बोलो.
can you
tell me any
tell
person
can you tell me one person name you
who doesn't worship?
who doesn't worship, who doesn't temple,
Go to temple.
who doesn't donate that other temple, who not believe the God.
Who doesn't believe in God?
Who
Can you tell
doesn't-
me any person name? She is asking this question.
In this world, every person, some persons don't believe God. Who is God?
Who is God?
We see Kajal, every person believe the God.
Why?
Every person believes science.
yes.
And by science,
Wait,
wait,
sorry,
science
wait,
is made
just stop.
Parmanu bomb
Huh.
and destroy the whole earth.
All are nuclear bomb.
Nuclear bomb. Some people don't believe in God. Why very much rush in temple?
If all people don't believe in God,
God?
so why
Why
is
very
rush?
much rush in temple?
क्यों है इतना रश टेम्पल्स में?
Because people's wish go to
Temples
and
never
make
buy
Because people believe in God. Because people believe in God. People goes only to see the how is temple.
how is
Temples
House is
beauty.
temple.
Okay.
And click the pictures and showing other people's I am going to temple.
And
Okay,
posting
maximum people go
pictures
to click the pictures only? Yes.
and make videos.
Okay.
It
Make
is
it
totally
so.
wrong.
Okay. Yes.
It is totally wrong. Yes, many people
I
believe
can-
in God.
I-
That's why we go to in
I
temple.
can see you in inside temple videos.
Sir, some
So it's okay, na? You go, you worship, and after some time you click the picture. It is okay.
What's wrong in it?
What's wrong with you?
Some people go to Khatu Sham Mandir, but don't.
Firstly,
do
we
Okay, wait. Swati, what do you want to say? Do you have any proof that science is everything, God is nothing?
Yes, sir. God is not made by clothes, not to give me food.
God can't make.
God can't make food.
Uh,
Vegetables like science made by fruit, vegetables,
Science
clothes.
makes.
Clothes. So according to me, science is best. Not God is.
Science is useful for me. What do you say about it?
Tarun.
God make clothes and foods because I like for question for Prachi. Prachi say you say till that time science is help me, but suppose a scientific person that time so science is your help, so yeah,
God helps.
God helps you.
If the person has last time, he is admitted in hospital and he has last time just. So who will help in this time? God
Sir,
or
science.
doctor?
But why?
Answer him.
Doctor.
How?
Because God not have.
God can't. God can't.
God can't. You come.
Come there.
God can't come there.
Hmm.
And don't God do your operation like.
Okay, so doctor.
So do operation only doctors. So
but doctor
only doctors hand you save you.
But doctor also in last time, so who help her?
Mangna, what is the meaning of mangna?
Answer for
Because doctor use medicines all everything any
But you saying doctor is God?
any weapons.
not weapons,
So-
instruments.
Any machines like oxygen machines. So oxygen is up
Very important for human.
in human.
But they don't kindness of poor people, na?
So kindness people. Oh.
There
So
is
poor
free
people also
treatments for
ill.
the
So God.
poor
So poor people
people.
don't
Good.
God
go to.
Doctor.
God don't discrimination
Don't-
with rich and poor people. Don't discriminate. God discrimination, but doctor is discrimination poor
Between?
people and rich people.
Okay.
Yes, between.
She means to say doctor discriminates between poor and rich, but God does not discriminate between poor and
So
rich.
Sonia, you mean God come and poor people so do treatment.
Treatment.
And
What?
save the people.
And
Yes,
save people.
doctor.
How can you say that?
Yes, God save the people.
Like
How? Please tell me.
Many
How-
people's do anything, but God
If they wish to God, they pray to God.
to pray to God. God
sometimes God don't listen your prayer.
But Miss Prachi.
doctor listen. God listen
Every
everyone every time.
No,
No.
God listen not every time.
Without science,
How can you say that?
Yes.
What yes?
without
Don't
science,
God
all
not
people.
listen.
God doesn't listen.
And my family also do prayer and someone not leave.
Okay. You do prayer and you don't educated.
You don't study.
You don't study.
And God is made
you
your
are
future.
success. You make a.
Can you become?
a successful person
What? Please
without
tell,
study?
please tell me again.
If you believe in God, so don't study. Can you become successful without study? God will help you.
But it's your luck. It's our luck.
जैसे कोई भी
Not God help us every time, na.
Sir,
First I wanna tell the answer of Swati question.
Yes.
Swati makes humans made clothes, fruits and animals, but it's going on ancient time. In God time, gods wear the clothes, God eat the fruits. It's going to ancient time.
It started
How
in
can you
ancient
say
time.
that? How can you say that people